Hello, everybody, to the heart, mind, and soul. God is love. These are very easy, delicious recipes and videos that y'all watching. We have well over 1,400 videos. Y'all go over there and get you a couple recipes and look through those videos to make your life a lot easier. Very simple and easy videos to watch. You can bring it up on your TV. You and your family can gather around and figure out what dish you want to break down to make you go come in and out of the kitchen fast. But today we're doing shotgun pasta on a bed of steamed Cajun cabbage. I'm going to give myself a twirl. That is a Kodak moment right there. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and give me a thumbs up too as well. I'm looking for y'all to give me a thumbs up. Come on, get my algorithm going and my subscribers. Y'all have a good day, and please join me on the next video for these delicious recipes and videos. Bye-bye.